Traders, GJ and 15-minute time frame. Let's talk about this sell opportunity. So first, let's build up the information. Let's put words behind the action and let's talk about a few principles here. So when the price is right now here creating the first rejection high, pullback and going in the second time, what is happening? The price is creating the equal highs. So there is a few principles to now when the price really want to go higher. So let's say if this low is holding and it start pressing price higher, there is a few principles there. So the first one is when the price is making the first high, pull back here and going back now here in the equal highs. The first principle to go higher is very impulsive one, and it just keep continue, retest and keep continue breaking the highs and holding the lows. The second one is when the price is creating the first high, go back here, now it's going back to the same place. We're gonna break it but much smaller, and we're gonna retest it and start breaking the highs. Inside this moment where is happening the retest, we're gonna have another detail or element inside the retest area, and what it is the W pattern. The W pattern, what is going higher. So that means the price is respecting the principle to go higher, and the price is keep continue to go higher. So the third one, the last one, is we have the first rejection high, price is back here. Now the price is making equal highs, and we're gonna have the 618 pullback, and the price is starting going higher. So let's say, for example, if you put Fibonacci here to there, you have the 618 pullback and the price is moving higher. So now what the price is doing here, let's talk about, let's zoom in. We see the low, we see the high where the price is creating the equal highs. Let's put the Fibonacci here all the way to the top, start here all the way to the top, and now we see, let's zoom in, how the price is behaving around the 618 area. The first looks like the price is actually respecting pretty beautifully, and now the price is going all the way up, and what the price is doing, the price is creating the new rejection high, or you can say that's the first touch of the equal highs. So around that area what we have, patient. There is no trades, and you're gonna be a patient there, because the only thing when prices really want to go higher, we have to break it, retest going higher, or we have to make a nice bullish pattern what they start going higher. That's why patient. But looking at what is happening next, we have to pull back, and look at here what the market is showing to us. The market is showing the first bearish principle, and beautiful principle actually. Look at that, our first bearish M pattern with the break and retest and start going lower. And what was happening down here, for example, if you are holding the Fibonacci long and your enter is here, your stop loss is 20% above 886, what is here. So in that current moment you actually get stopped out, and the meaning is, for me, the Fibonacci is broken now. The market is weak, market feels the fear, and market is weak to go higher, because we don't have enough the natural support or natural energy in the flow to keep push market higher and higher. So for example, now let's delete this one and delete the Fibonacci, and let's zoom in here. Again, you're gathering more information, but you're still patient because there is no trades right now. Only thing is when the price is now going above, going in the long sides, or we start breaking those lows here. So what the price is doing, the price is going all the way back to the highs. And what is happening now inside this high area? Definitely first we see how this behaving is strongly pushing market downsides. There is loads of fear inside here, what is pushing market downsides. And now if you zoom in and look in details, because we are very close right now, because when the prices don't respecting this area, or when the prices don't respecting the bullish principles, we have shift exactly that moment here, and the meaning is this low is not holding anymore, so price wanna go lower. And what was happening now inside here? You see how this candlestick body weight is bouncing here and creating this minor holder, what is holding to price go higher in that area. And what was happening? The price was going higher and gets heavily rejected, and we create the bearish candlestick pattern. And what was happening? Very impulse movement, basically break the previous candlestick body lows. And now we have another retest, and price is breaking lows in overall. But right now you see we have this candlestick body weight here, like bounce, 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 bouncing here, and then all this candlestick body weight is now under here. And the same time we break the candlestick body lows, and the same time we break structural lows here. The wicks are breaking under. So this area what was pushing higher, and this area here what was pushing higher is broken, and candlestick body weight close under this area. And what you have already opportunity to trade here if you already see the vision, or you can take the same entry with the retest point, because the stop loss is still same, both those opportunities. And already in that moment you know this low is not holding, so the price is gonna go back on the previous level of holder here. Because you see when we have this market structure break, price is breaking the highs, that was the holder. That was the holder, and the price is holding right now this area. And the previous we know this low is not holding and this low is not holding, so price is gonna go back on this low point. And if you look at the trades, 10.3 risk reward ratio, and the price goes back exactly that area. Where is the previous holder? And where is our previous memory and the previous energy? It's inside this holder, and the price right now is bouncing around this area, and right now it is Sunday. So this is the one way how to gather information. Be patient and wait those major movements happen, and you scalp those major movements. Otherwise, if you're too emotional, those candlesticks gonna cut your attention and everything, and then you jump in and you jump out, and then you get stopped out, and poof, poof, and then you're lost, and then it's gonna happen the real movement. That's why you have to be patient and don't follow your emotions. That's why we just gathering information with no judgment. You don't picking that side, you don't pick that side. You just gathering information and be patient and think with the flow of price action. Like if you're looking inside here, try to actually understand what those candlesticks actually is telling to you. And it is a pure journey. You're just gonna follow the journey, and then you see the possibilities and opportunities. And that's what the trading is. Seeing possibilities and taking opportunities. And now your risk reward ratio is kind of your own thing, because it's a personal. every single person have this different risk reward in this life. It's a very personal, or it's a very build it in your way of trading and so on, because people can say I want to put stop loss maybe above this high. 100% there is no problem to do that. This is just my mind, and that's how I see the market. I'm gonna finish right now. If you have some questions, leave me a comment, and I'm gonna see you next video. Thank you and ciao.